Well, this is what we got this morning. First call, boiler no heat. Got a slant fin, and seems like it's calling. Seems like it's calling. I got a pump running, but no boiler firing. But I have, I don't know, this hydrostat here. That might be part of it. It's reading 67 degrees. I don't know if it's reading water temperature or it's reading outside temperature. It's like an auto reset. I have no paperwork on it. Oh, wait, what's this? Hydrostat. Temp limit, low water cutoff, thermal targeting. Oh, there it is. Because I'm thinking maybe, because I know the thermostat's calling. So this will control the boiler operation off of outdoor temperature. So I gotta find out if I'm getting power. I gotta find out if I'm getting power to the boiler for that. But that damper is in the open position, so it's almost, and I haven't got into it yet, so what is, okay, temp active, what does that mean? High temp active, 1 indicates is powered and temperature function is active. What other? Economy is active. So economy, which is, economy is active. So that, number 5, what does that mean? Indicates thermal target function is active. Will reduce thermal targeting. Will reduce boiler temperature to conserve fuel. The fuel economy feature is activated. See how thermal targeting, blah blah blah. So I think our problem's here. Sorry about the light. But I could be totally wrong too. Let's see. Let's see. So that should go out there. Oh boy. Let's see. Well, let's see where that damper's at. That damper's on hold open, I don't know. What does it say? Can't tell which is which. Let's see. I think it is in manual operation. Yeah. It's in hold open. Alright, well, give that a second. Let me see if I'm getting power back to the boiler. Jeez, oh pizza, ain't got no room. Oh, jeez. Oh. That goes in there. I don't have any room. I don't have any room. Oh geez, thing's falling apart. Okay, so that wire goes into there to the limit. Let's see if I'm getting 24 volts anywhere. Let's see if I'm getting 24 volts. Nothing there. Oh, come on, jerky. Let's see, I'm getting 24 volts here. No, no 24 volts there. Jeez, it's dark in here. I can't see what I'm doing. No 24 volts there, so we gotta track this back. Let's see where I'm not getting 24 volts. Alright, let me track down and find out where I'm not getting 24 volts from. Okay, I don't know if you can see it down there, but I'm trying to set this up. So I tried hitting this reset switch earlier. So if I go to ground and one side of the switch I have 0, and if I go to the other side of the switch I got 27 volts. So I tried pressing this earlier, it didn't go. Oh, I didn't press hard enough. There we go. There we go. So I had a draft limit out. And she's fired. Oh boy. That ain't good. It ain't drafting. Nope. Where's the switch for this thing? How do I shut it off? Is it drafting? Nope, still no drafty. Alright, so it's not drafting. I think I'm afraid. Let's see what kind of presents we can find. If any. Well, it's full of crap. Stop it from sparking. Well, let's go outside and look at the chimney. Okay, so looked at the chimney outside. Didn't see anything, but I looked under the draft hood. I see something. I don't know what I see. It's like something big and dead. I wonder what I got in here. Let's see what we will find. This is what I don't want to see first thing in the morning. Oh, it's something. It's a big bird. Holy crap. Yeah, that's a bird. A big bird. What the heck is it? Alright, let me go get some gloves and a trash bag. Okay. Let's see what we got. It's pretty big. What the heck is it? Oh, she's a birdie. Oh, geez, that's a big bird. I don't know what the heck that is. Is it a duck? That's a duck. There's a duck in the flue. It looks like a duck. Oh, yeah, nasty. At least it's been dead for a while. What do we got up here? Anything? I'm clear. Wow, that's interesting. Alright, well, let's get back together. There's a duck in my flue. There's a duck in my flue. There's a duck in my flue. Alright, let's get her back together here. Jeez, there's no room down here. Right on. Oops. Okay, so let's plug this back in, and we will plug this back in, and off she goes. Let's see, is it drafting now? Oh yeah, it's drafting now. Got the duck out of the flue. That's crazy. A freaking duck. At least that's what it looked like to me. I don't know, maybe you guys can tell me something different. If it's not a duck, what is it? The good old duck in the flue. Oh yeah, it's heating up the pipe. Heating up the pipe. All right. Get this put back. I can't see anything down here. Jeez, oh Pete. It's dark. Alright, well, that's it for this one. Just had to get this one up and running. We're going to call this one the duck in the flue. Crazy. But that crap happens. You should have your stuff maintained every year to make sure it's doing what it should. That could have created a huge carbon monoxide issue, especially on propane. So we are good to go. I'm gonna get all this stuff tidied up and we're out of here. See you in the next one.